UH has the only Asian theater program in the country. So here I am.
The cornerstone of this Asian theater program is bringing in master artists from Asia or from the country that the genre is from, and have them train intensely with the students, sometimes up to a year in our case.
A lot of people, they don't think about Indonesian music and Indonesian art like they may with the other Eastern Asian cultures.
Our goal is to really reach kids and to have kids kind of share in these art forms that maybe normally would never have a chance to experience it.
The reason that I stayed at this university is because this program is here.
The Asian theater program is such a fantastic program because it really deepens cultural understanding, tolerance, acceptance, curiosity between people with different backgrounds. There's always room for that, and there's always a need for that, especially in our more global society that at the same time is also more divisive.
What I'm gaining from this is extremely valuable. I mean, I can't even assign a monetary value to it.
If any other theater closed, Sondheim, Tennessee Williams, they'll still play somewhere else, but if this program closes, no one else will get it. And it's really incredible that we get this.